Looking for a faster, easier way to write professional emails to families, students, or colleagues? Meet the email generator, your go-to AI tool for creating clear, polished messages in minutes. Let's walk through how to use the email generator. Begin by entering your author name. This will personalize the email and let your recipient know who it's from. Next, select your recipient type from the drop-down menu. Whether you're writing to a parent, student, or colleague, this step helps the AI tailor the tone and formality to fit your audience. In the Content to Include box, type or paste the main points you want covered. This might include the purpose of the email, important dates, instructions, or follow-up information. The clearer and more specific you are, the better your draft will be. If you have a document that you'd like to reference, such as a meeting agenda or assignment guide, you can upload a file here. The AI will use your files to inform the email content to ensure it's relevant and accurate. Need to communicate in more than one language? Just enter the desired language in the Additional Languages field. The tool will generate a translated version alongside the English draft. When you're ready, click Generate to get an email draft that's tailored to your audience. Then use HMH Assist to change the tone, complexity, or wording if needed. With our email generator, writing professional emails has never been quicker and more efficient.